Hello P2 students, this is Miss Stephanie, and today we are going to do some self-learning exercises about prepositions. Okay, the first one is preposition in. So how do we use in? In is used with countries, cities, districts, streets, roads, and towns. For example, I live in Sha Tin. Or for me, I live in Jordan. So this is when we use in. We can also use in when we talk about large or enclosed spaces. For example, we are reading in the library. Or for example, we are learning English in the fun planet. So those kind of spaces and places, we can use the preposition in. Okay, the next one is preposition on. We use on and then the floor to talk about where the room is. For example, the art room is on the 3rd floor, or the fun planet is on the 3rd floor. When we talk about where a room is, we don't use in, we use on. For example, the art room is in the 3rd floor. This is wrong. This is incorrect. Should be, the art room is on the 3rd floor. Or the computer room is on the 2nd floor. This is a time when we use on. We also use on when we talk about locations that are not buildings and things that are on the surface. For example, I live on Hong Kong Island. Okay, the next one. You should know this question. How do you come to school? When we answer, we use the preposition by. We use by to show how someone travels. For example, I come to school by train, or by plane, by taxi, by minibus, by car, by bus, by tram. We use by when we show how someone travels. Okay, let's take a look. For example, how do you come to school? This is the question. And the answer, I come to school by bus. By is the preposition here. We don't say, I come to school in bus. It's wrong. I come to school by bus. And you don't need to add an article or a plural noun after this by. No need to do that. Okay, the only time it's different is when we want to say, I walk to school. This time, we can use on and not by. We can say, how do you come to school? I come to school on foot. This time, not by. It is on foot in this example. Okay, let's try some exercises you can do yourself. So you need to complete the sentence with in, by, or on. Okay, number 1. There are a lot of people to the bakery. Is it in, by, or on? Let's see. Are you ready? What do you think? In. There are a lot of people in the bakery because it's an enclosed space. Number 2. I come to school tram. Do you think it's in, by, or on? Let's see. I come to school by tram. Good, because it's how you travel, by tram. Okay, next one. Number 3. Anne is waiting the ground floor. In the ground floor, by the ground floor, or on the ground floor? What do you think? Yes, you are right. It's on because it's the floor. Anne is waiting on the ground floor. Good job. Okay, 4 more. See if you can correctly see which one is correct. Number 1. We cannot eat or drink the bus. Do you think it's in, by, or on? Let's see. On. We cannot eat or drink on the bus. Next one. Sally lives Hong Kong Island. In, by, or on? Okay, let's find out. Sally lives on Hong Kong Island. Good. Okay, number 3. Sam is going to spend his holiday Japan. Do you think it's in Japan, by Japan, or on Japan? What do you think? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In. Good. Sam is going to spend his holiday in Japan. And the last one, number 4. My parents and I go to the Hong Kong Space Museum. MTR. In MTR, by MTR, or on MTR? What do you think? Yes, it's by MTR. Good, because it's how they travel to the museum, by MTR. Great. Okay, good job, students. I hope now you can have more practice with how to use in, by, or on prepositions. Good job. Bye.